Wait. Okay, here we go. We are grammar first because we don't have much time. So, okay. We have studied, our last meeting is about Oxford Grammar 3. I have do some kind of checkpoint with you about how to differ the present simple and continuous, and present simple past and the perfect, and then how to use, what else? The future will and be going to, yeah. I believe it has impact on you. Okay, for the grammar, what pages last time are we? Oxford Grammar 4.
Present perfect.
Present perfect.
No, we are not in grammar 4.
Yeah, I'm in grammar 4. We have finished in the grammar 3. I have done all the checkpoint that I need in the grammar 3. So it's just checkpoint to make sure you understand. Yeah. And then, now grammar 4, what pages last time?
We don't, belum mulai grammar 4.
Yeah, grammar 4, chapter 1, I think we have done it, right? Yeah, I remember we have done number 1. What?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Number 1, yes.
Yes. And then oh yes, now I remember we are now on we have done this one, yes, right? Number 10. Yes. Now, number 3, we have done it, this one. Yes, I remember. Now number 4. Yes, quantities. Now we're going to study. So about for 15 or 20 minutes, we're going to do grammar. After that, we move to the reading. This is, I prepare for the reading. Yes, this is reading. And after that, we go some kind of listening. Yes, I have prepared a book. And this is the dictation. And then this is, will be some kind of translation from Indonesian to English to improve your speaking. Yeah, I am using comic maybe because, it will improve your brain. Okay, quantities. Okay, here we go, Angie. We use a or an with a singular countable noun. Yeah, and with the singular countable noun. I know it's basic, but lots of people, even though it's basic, they make mistake in this thing. I'm gonna turn on my the volume of my microphone. Okay, I like an orange. Yeah, for the singular countable nouns, you use an orange. Okay, use a or an. Okay, I believe you have known the rule. Have you got a phone? Yeah, for the singular countable noun, you have always to use the article or an. We use a before a consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. Yeah, I believe you have known about this. For a consonant sound, a computer house, a university. Why university? Because university start with W. Okay, you start with W. For example, you. Yeah, that's why you use a, not an. So don't confuse with the U here. Even though U is a vowel, but it sounds, you sound it with the W, with Y, I mean, yeah. So university, not university. So that's why for university, you use it. Okay. For the vowel sounds like apple, you use an apple and island. Okay. Now, but remember, hour. Why we use an? Because you don't pronounce the H sounds here, okay? Hour, not hour. Hour is wrong. But hour. Hour starting with A ya. Mulainya dari A ya, bacanya kan hour. Itu huruf hidup. Makanya we use an hour, not a hour. Wrong. So just remember, yeah. An hour and university. This is the uncommon one, okay? We don't usually or an with uncountable noun. Remember, in uncountable noun, we don't use or an. So, I'd like cheese. It's wrong to put a here. It's wrong to put a here. So, I'd like put cheese, just like that, cheese, because it's uncountable. Just like that you think you have asked 1 week ago. We use some with uncountable nouns, and plural countable nouns. So you use it some with uncountable nouns and plural uncountable countable nouns. For example, we've got some homework tonight. Some homework. Why homework is uncountable? Uncountable, you cannot use a or an, but you can use some here. Okay, you can use some, for countable. They need some books. Remember, for the plural countable nouns, if you meet some here, it means the noun must be in plural state. Jadi kalau kamu ketemu some, berarti kata bendanya jamak kalau dia countable yang bisa dihitung ya. Kalau uncountable nggak boleh tambahin s, tetap tunggal. Tapi boleh pakai some. That's the just to refreshing your memory. Some just appear in the positive sentence, but any appears in the negative and the question sentence. Just that. Okay. And then, if we want to count uncountable noun, we sometimes use a word for a container. Bottle, cup, or quantity. Kilo, liter. With of, Jadi, countable noun bisa kita hitung. Tapi kita harus tambahin kata bantunya. Kata apanya sih ya? Kontainernya gitu loh. Contoh bottle. For example, we cannot count water. Kita nggak bisa ngitung air, tapi kita bisa tambahin bottle. So, I have a bottle of water. Boleh. Or I have 2 bottles of water. Boleh. Jadi bisa dihitung ya, tapi harus ditambahin container ya. Kita nggak bisa ngitung teh. For example, I have some tea. Kita nggak bisa ngitung itu. Tapi kalau kita pengen bilang 2 teh, 3 teh, kita harus tambahin container ya. Just like cup. Here. I have 2 cups of tea. It's okay. I have 3 cups of tea. I have 3 cups of coffee. That's okay. Or for example, kilo. I have 1 kilo of meat. You can say I have 3 kilos of meat. Okay. Or maybe I have 1 liter of rice. Just like that. Okay. Any question, Angie, until here? Do you have questions?
So if I want to say aku punya satu cup coffee, berarti kayak I have 1 cup of coffee.
You may say like that. 1 bottle of coffee or 1 cup of coffee. It depends on the container. Tergantung kontainer ya. Tapi it will be better if you say just like I have some coffee. It will be safe ya. Biasanya lebih safe kalau kamu nggak gitu jelas alat kontainernya apa. You can say I have some coffee. Perhatiin ya, saya cuma yang agak saya lupa. I forgot. It's true that we use some only in the positive. Itu benar, itu basicnya dulu ya. Any di negative and pertanyaan. Tapi kalau kamu nawarin barang, kamu pakai some, jangan pakai any. Jadi, do you want some coffee? Kalau nawakan, because I offer someone. Jangan pakai do you want any coffee? It's wrong. Hanya khusus untuk tawaran aja ya. Jadi kalau untuk kamu menawarkan sesuatu, you want to offer something, you use some. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some tea? Ya. Tapi kalau nanya apakah kamu punya teh, ya kita pakai any. Do you have any coffee? Nah, it's correct. Or do you have any tea? Ya. Tapi kalau kamu nawarin, misalnya John, do you want some coffee? You use some. Nah, itu aja. Pokok basicnya some itu untuk positif, any untuk negatif. Some hanya dipakai di pertanyaan kalau kamu mau nawarin. Kalau nggak nawarin, jangan pakai some. Okay. Any question, Angie? Any more questions?
No.
No. Okay. We try to do this one. Wait, I'm gonna enlarge it. Okay. Yeah. For example, I like to listen to some music. Okay. You complete the sentence with the word in the box. Okay. Some. Number 1.
My cousins live in a apartment.
In an apartment. Yes, because it's countable. Yes. Number 2, please put
some
Yes, good. Some
butter.
butter. That's it. 3, can you buy me?
Can you buy me a kilo of cheese?
Good. Number 4, Bill has got
Bill has got an old watch.
an old watch. An old watch, yeah. Watch
Yeah,
is countable. Sometimes, yeah. I have read some books, the other grammar books. Kalau countable, uncountable, kalau dipakai adjective kamu boleh pakai e ya. Boleh. Misalnya, it's a very beautiful water. Boleh. Boleh. Sometimes ya. Itu boleh kalau uncountable kalau ada adjektifnya. Tapi ini sih sebenarnya memang watch itu countable. Jadi memang kamu harus pakai n ya. Tapi ada di beberapa buku yang saya baca, you may use like that. Kalau uncountable-nya ada kata sifatnya ya, ada kata sifatnya. Jadi ini pakai tapi ini memang karena watch-nya juga countable sih, so you still have to use n. Bill has got an old watch. Number 5.
I'd like a cup water.
Nggak ada off-nya, jangan ditambahin itu. I like.
Oh, I'd like some water.
Yeah, good. Number 6.
Mrs. Jackson is a science
Yeah,
teacher.
science teacher. Number 6.
Would you like some of
Huh? No, there is
a cup
of coffee. Nah, that's okay. If there is no a cup, you can say, would you like some tea? Also okay. Kenapa some meskipun pertanyaan? Because it's offering, penawarin ya. Number 8.
The police officer wants an information.
Information uncountable. NG. It's uncountable.
Information
about the accident. Sebenarnya kalau information aja, actually if you say information is correct. Yeah, for example, the police officer wants information about the accident. Benar, itu benar. That's correct. Tapi di soal ini dia minta kamu tambahin sesuatu ya. So, what is it? Once. This one, Angie ya. Some ya, some. Just remember, uncountable. Jadi uncountable pilihannya 2. Kalau nggak bisa tambahin boleh kamu polosin. You may use it blankly or you can add some. Ya, itu pilihannya aja di uncountable ya. Okay, so the police officer wants information is correct, but because this book requires you to add something, so you have to answer the police officer wants some information about the accident. Number 9.
That's a long email.
Good. Number 10.
They need some new.
Okay, I'm gonna search this on Google yeah. Because this is hard subject also. Equipment is countable or uncountable. Sometimes I have to make sure. It's also hard topic for me, so don't worry. Equipment is uncountable. Okay. Yes. So you can say where is it? Yeah. They need some new equipment for the gyms. It's okay. Okay. But I have read some books, the other books, grammar book. It's okay for you add if you have adjective. Yeah, there's adjective here. Yeah. So that book says you can say they need a new equipment. It's okay, yeah, because there is adjective after the uncountable. But I still have to make sure about it. So the safest way for us to understand, we say they need some new equipment. It's okay. Okay. Equipment is accountable. Yeah, just remember. Okay. Okay, number 6. You having what is it? Okay. Okay. This is listening. I think I'm gonna share sound first. Wait a minute. I'm gonna share step. So share sound. Yeah, you will listen to my sound. Yeah, I have shared my sound here. Okay, this is listening. What are they talking about? Okay, here we go. 1.2. Student book. No, not this one. Wait. Grammar. Oxford Grammar. Chapter 4. CD1. Okay. Wait a minute. So what are they talking about here?
1.2. 1.
Would you like a tomato?
Can you listen to the audio, Angie, that I've just played?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you? Okay. Okay, it means okay. Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
1.2. 1.
Would you like a tomato with your sandwich?
No thanks. 2.
Yeah. So that's why.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. We'd like 2 cups of coffee.
Anything to eat?
No, thank you.
So what is it? What number is it? Cup of coffee.
F.
F. Yeah.
Yeah.
I for a cup of coffee. Yes. Yes. F. And then we continue.
3.
Can you wash the car for me?
Okay.
There's some water in the bucket.
There is some water in the bucket. So what is he talking about?
B.
Yes. Okay. And can I learn or is it? Wait a minute. Yes, it's better. Okay. Here we go. We continue.
4. We've got some tomatoes here.
I can make tomato soup.
That sounds good.
What is it?
Can I hear again?
We have some tomatoes. So what do you think?
C.
Yes. Okay.
5.
Are you looking for something?
Yes, I'd like some eggs.
Eggs are over there.
Thank you.
What is it?
E.
E? Yes. Okay. What do you mean E? Some eggs.
Oh, some. G.
G. Yes. Wait a minute. G is one H. Some H. Do you remember if you some H is mean it's plural. So it's
H.
some H. What is it? Some H. It's mean more than one. The H is more than one.
H.
Yeah, H. Okay. We continue.
6.
I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
Yes, please. Could you buy me some coffee?
No problem.
What is it? Could you buy me some coffee? What is it?
E.
Is it some coffee is this one? F? What is F? No. E.
Oh, E.
This is coffee, right? So, if they say some coffee, it can be 2 bottles, 3 bottles, or 1 bottles. Yeah, don't be confused. Yeah. So if they want, you want me to buy some coffee and then this one. Okay. We have answer about this one when the previous speaker say I want a cup of 2 cups of coffee. Okay. Okay, we continue.
7. I'm really thirsty. I need a drink.
I've got a bottle of water.
Thanks.
So what is it?
A.
Yeah.
8.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have an egg.
So what is it? I usually have an H.
G.
Okay, very great. Okay, now we are moving to the number 6. Yes, after that we are moving to the, is it reading? Okay, reading, or maybe reading better. 6. Yeah, you match it. Please, Angie, you match it. Have you got a bag of, it means D. Yeah, bag. Bag 1 tas. 1 tas, setas, sekantong, tepung. Yeah, so, number 1, let's get a box of.
Let's get her a box
of what is it? Do you
Of
think?
chocolate or biscuit?
Oh, biscuits. Yeah, maybe biscuit. Yeah, we answered that part. Maybe we were wrong. We can make correction. Number 2, check in the fridge. Fridge itu kulkas ya in the British. Okay. What is
Yes.
it? I don't think we had any.
I don't think we've got any.
Hmm?
Any
Any?
milk?
Yes, milk. Okay. Good. Number 3, can you get me an?
Can you get me an apple?
Good. 4, I need 2 packets of.
2 packets of chocolates.
Chocolates. 2 packets of chocolates. Maybe. 2 packets of chocolate. Okay, good. Number 5.
There isn't any oil.
Okay, there isn't any oil. Good. Okay. For the grammar, we until here. And then next, we will continue this. It's 7 p.m., 4:05 p.m. Okay. The first that I want to try you before you reading. Okay. Okay. Now we are moved to reading. But I want to do some kind of translation. Yeah. Translation, but for the speaking, I think the comic will be the best. This is to train your brain. How you execute it directly, okay? Okay, you translate it to Indonesian now. Akan ku perkenalkan kelompok kecilku. Come on, say it in English directly. It's to improve your speech. I will.
Oh,
I will. Come on.
I will introducing
Yeah.
my
Don't say introducing. I will introduce because after will is basic form. I will introduce Yeah.
my
my
group.
Angie, in Indonesian to English there is a key ya. I give you the shortcut, the easiest way. Saya kasih tahu cara gampangnya. Kamu perhatiin Indonesia Inggris pikirannya kanan kiri kebalik. Jadi kalau kamu ngelihat akan ku perkenalkan, I will introduce. Nah kamu ketemu kata kelompok kecilku kan. Kamu terjemahin kanan kiri, yang paling kanan. Kamu ketemu kok kan, my. Kamu ketemu kecil kan, my small group. Gitu caranya ya. Ya itu kuncinya bahasa Inggris gampang. Bolak-balik aja. Jadi dia I will introduce my small group. Jangan bingung, oke? Okay? Yuk, come on. Kami adalah Regu Konoha, come on.
We
are. Gampang kanan kiri lagi.
Konoha. What is Regu?
Group, team, maybe team.
Oh.
Ya, we are Konoha
team.
team. Oke. Okay. Di bawah ada siapa?
Under Sensei.
No.
Under.
Oh boleh. It's okay like that. Under satu sentence comments, it's okay. Tapi kalau kamu mau urutan gini boleh diginiin. Under the comments of. Di sini harus. Sarutobi Sensei.
Sarutobi Sensei.
Nah, ya jadi kalau kamu mau sesuaiin urutannya di Indonesia, kamu harus tambahin of di sininya, ya. Under the comment of Sarutobi Sensei, or you can say kalau mau kayak gitu under Sarutobi Sensei comments. Okay?
Okay.
Now, come on, dan tentu saja sesuai namanya. Directly.
And of course.
Sesuai namanya, sesuai apa? Bisa according to, berdasarkan, atau based on.
Based on
namanya.
Name.
Namanya apa? Nah, ini kan namanya dia nih. Cowok nih ya, based on his
name.
Ya. Ayo kanan kiri nih, ini kanan kiri.
Team.
This team leader. Jadi ini kamu kan lihat ini ya. Jadi dia kepisahan nih. Adalah nih. Jadi dia pemisahan frasa ya. Jadi kamu fokus di ini dulu. Ini frase satu. This team leader is
Konohamaru Sensei.
Or the teacher Konohamaru ya. Or Mr. Konohamaru maybe in English we gonna say it like this. Okay. Come on, kakeknya adalah
his grandfather.
Wait, sorry. His grandbrother.
His
Is.
genius.
Kalau ada seorang hanya dulu. Baru kanan kiri.
Genius.
Ninja ya. Maybe it's about was ya. His grandfather. Maybe if he's talking about past, maybe we can say was ya. His grandfather was a genius ninja. Okay, come on. Dan juga merupakan.
And wait.
And also merupakan sama adalah tuh sama pakai is atau
and
was
also is Hokage.
ketiga berarti kamu the third
Hokage.
the third Hokage yang apa yang you can use who, which or that. Remember?
Which?
This is a person, so you cannot use which. Ini orang.
Which?
Who. Ya,
Who?
who. Paling aman tuh pakai ini, Angie. The safest way pakai that. THAT. Itu bisa dua-duanya. Orang atau kalau kamu bingung paling aman tuh pakai that. Ya, jadi, so you can say, and he's also the church Hokage who, or he was also the church Hokage that. That itu paling aman. Ya, karena that boleh dipakai dua-duanya. Orang atau that, apa? Menghabiskan hampir seluruh hidupnya.
What is menghabiskan?
Spend.
Oh, spend.
Hampir. Almost. Seluruh.
All his life.
Ya, all of his life.
For.
To ya. Kita lebih ke to ya kalau untuk ya. To. Mengembangkan.
What is mengembang?
Develop. Makanya developer pengembang disebutnya. To develop. Desa. Desa is village.
To develop village.
Ya, tambahin deh ya, THE ya. Karena kita ngomongin desanya yang jelas, NG ya. Udah tahu kita ngomongin desa yang mana. So you have to be clear. To develop the village. Okay. Kemudian pamannya adalah mantan salah satu dari 12 ninja pelindung. Come on. Just test. Jangan bingung, kalau adalah berarti terjemahan yang di kiri adalah dulu ya, pamannya.
His uncle
is mantan former mantan the former ini cara terjemahnya gini, one of the former, come on, one ini mantan salah satu ya, the former one boleh ya, the former one dari 12 of the
12
of the 12 kanan kiri.
What is pelindung?
Maybe pelindung, the guard ya, guard.
The guard
ninja ya. So his uncle is the former one of the. Kalau ada kamu ketemu kalimat salah satu dari, berarti kamu pakainya one of the. Nanti sisanya pasti jamak di sininya ya. So the the former one of the 12 guard ninjas. Ninja nanti you use as, just like that ya. Tapi sebenarnya kalimatnya maybe better gini. His uncle is the one of the former guard ninjas. Itu lebih better ya kalau di translate ke English ya ketimbangnya. Even though maybe people understand about that. Dan pernah disebut sebagai tangan kanan Hokage keempat. Come on. Tangan kanan Hokage ketiga. And I remember. I forget to tell you. Usually, if we're talking about the past of the story, like we use simple past. So, his uncle was one of the former guard ninjas, and then pernah disebut.
And And also,
And also, okay, you may use also. Pernah berarti he wants ya. He wants ONCE ya. He wants. And he wants. He was ya. Disebut-sebut what is it? He once called. Jadi pasif ya. Ya, he was once called sebagai as
Hokage at third
the right hand
of the right hand
of the
third
Hokage. Yeah. I know you may say like as the Hokage for the third Hokage's right hand, boleh. It's okay. It's also correct. After that we must to speaking ya, okay, Angie. Belum lagi orang tuanya yang merupakan Jonin Elliot, come on. Belum lagi tuh kayak artinya tuh kayak apa ya in Indonesia, terlebih selain itu sebenarnya. Jadi selain itu what is it? Moreover, orang tuanya,
his parents,
ya, yang apa? Remember who, which atau that? That
merupakan bisa is gak?
Iya, bisa is MR itu merupakan tuh to be ya. Jadi that karena parents to jamak biasanya kita pakai that where.
That
ya kan?
where.
Karena ini masa lalu ya. Kenapa saya nggak pakai are? Berarti ini masa lalu. That where.
Jonin Elliot.
And Elliot Jonin, jangan kebalik. And Elliot Jonin ya. Jonin is Japanese ya. Japanese for the ninja. I don't know. I also don't understand Japanese. So sama-sama anggota ANBU. Ini boleh diimprove. Jadi karena Indonesia kan ya boleh diimprove jadi Inggris ya. Karena kan Indonesia boleh potong subjek ya. Kalau Inggris nggak boleh potong subjek. Harus full. Jadi sama-sama anggota ANBU. Jadi boleh kamu tambahin deh gitu. They were ANBU's anggota member,
yeah.
ANBU's member, or maybe kalau untuk better begini, they are both together the member of ANBU. Boleh duluan gitu. Jadi the member of ANBU and berada langsung. Berada, what is it? Sometimes I know you can. Berada itu sometimes we can use just to be. They were. Kamu langsung ke ini. Ya, directly. Ya, langsung apa? Directly. Di bawah under. Hokage's comment boleh. Hokage's instruction boleh. It's up to you ya, how to translate it. Hokage comment. Or maybe, kalau kamu mau perintahnya duluan harus caranya kayak gitu ya. Under the comments of the Hokage. Boleh kayak gitu. Kalau kamu mau urutannya sama Indonesia harus pakai the sama of gitu ya. Okay. Next, after that we move to speaking. Okay. This is to test your brain ya. To sharpen your brain so that your brain can execute directly on the speaking of the sentence that appear in your head. Okay, come on. Lalu inilah Uzumaki Boruto, come on. Now, and then. Yeah.
This is Boruto Uzumaki.
Yeah. I don't know in Japanese which one is